Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arquen, myself Arnab Kundu. Today I am discussing on Python operators. Okay, basically there are 7 types of operators are there. So I am discussing one after another. Okay, so go to the computer screen. Operators are special symbols in Python that carry out arithmetic or logical computation. The value that the operator operates on is called the operand. Okay? Operators are the constructs which can manipulate the value of operands. Okay? Actually in Python there are 7 operators are there. Okay? So first we discuss the arithmetic operator. Okay? In arithmetic there are addition, subtraction, division, float division, multiplication and modulo operator are present. Okay, so we go for an example. Suppose we take x equal 12 and y equal 3. Okay, and we are do the addition, so write x plus y, so we get 15 as output. Okay, if we do x minus y, so we get 9 as output, means subtraction is there. Okay, if we do x divide y, so we get 4.0. Actually this is the floating point division. Okay, now if we do x double slash y, so this is a float division, or also it's known as integer division, so we get only the quotient value, which is 4. Okay, now we do x multiplied y, so we get 36. Okay, and now if we do x modulo operator y, we get 0, means this is the remainder from there, means 12 divided by 3, so we get as remainder 0. Okay, now another arithmetic operator which is known as exponent operator. Okay, it is used for exponential calculation. Okay, so go for an example. Suppose write a equal 10. Okay, and after that we are write a double asterisk, means double asterisk is the exponent operator, and suppose write 2 and enter, so it provide 100. Why? Because 10 to the power 2 will be 100. Okay, now the second operator is assignment operator. Okay, so they are equal, plus equal, minus equal, asterisk equal, divide equal and percent equal. Okay, so go for an example. Suppose write x equal 12. Okay, now so this is the assignment operator. Equal means 12 is stored within the variable x. Okay, now if I write x plus equal 2, okay, and write x, so we will get 14, means 12 plus 2 is 14. If I write x minus equal 2, so then if right here x, so you get 12, means the last value of x is 14, so 14 minus 2 will be 12. Okay, and similar way the x asterisk equal 2 also did the operation x equal x into 2, means the last value of x is 12, so 12 into 2 will be 24. Okay, so similar way divide and modulo operator will be performed same way. Now the next part is that if we write x comma y equal 12 comma 34 and press enter, actually this is a one line assignment, means the 12 is stored within the x and 34 is stored within the y. So if I write x, so get 12, and if I write y, we get 34. Okay, now the another assignment operators are, one is float division equal and another is exponent equal. Okay, so go for an example. Suppose write x equal 10 and we are write x float division equal 2, and after press x, so we get 5. Why? Because 10 when do the float division by 2, then the quotient will be 5. Okay. Now go for next example. Suppose y equal, write 10 and write y double asterisk, means this will be the exponent operator, and then equal, then 2, and after we write y, so it print 100. Why? Because 10 to the power 2 will be 100. Okay. The next operator, means the third operator, is unary operator. Okay. The unary operator is minus. Okay. Suppose I'm write n equal 7. Okay. And after that, if we write n, so we get 7 here, and if I write minus n, so we get minus 7. So minus is also known as unary operator. Okay. Now the fourth operator is relational operator. Okay, also known as comparison operator. So it returns either true or false according to the condition, and they are greater than, less than, equal, less equal, greater equal, and not equal. Okay, so go for an example. Suppose write a equal 5 and b equal 6. Okay, if I write a less than b, sorry, if I write a less than b, so we get true, means 5 less than b, means 5 less than 6, that's why it's a true. Okay, if I write a greater than b, so it will be false, means 5 greater than 6 is false. Okay, if I write a equal b, it's also false, means 5 equal 6 is not possible. Or we write a not equal b, so it's also true, means 5 not equal 6, it's also true. Okay, or if we write a greater equal b, so it's a false, means 5 greater equal 6 is not possible. Okay, if I write a less equal b, so it's also true, means 5 less equal 6. Okay, now the fifth operator is logical operator. Okay, and they are and, or, and not. Okay, suppose we take an example, a equal 12 and b equal 2. Okay, and if I write a less than 8 and b less than 5, so it's a false, means the value of a is 12, so 12 less than 8 is false, and also 2 less than 5, it's true. So when we are using the AND operator, so both conditions should be true, then the whole condition will be true. Okay, if I write a less than 8 and or b less than 5, so this will be true, means any one of the condition if true, then the whole condition will be true. Okay, and if I'm write x equal true, okay, and if I write not x, so what get false, means x value is true, and not x means just reverse, means it's a false. Okay, now the sixth operator is bitwise operator. Okay, and they are complement, which is represented by tilde sign, bitwise and represented by ampersand, bitwise or represented by pipe sign, and bitwise XOR represented by caret sign. Okay, and also double less than represent by shift left, and double greater than represent shift right. Okay, so go for an example one after another. So first we write tilde 12 and enter, so we get minus 13. Actually what happened, complement operator is just complement the positive number into the negative number. Okay, so computer stores negative number in the form of 2's complement of the positive number. Okay, means 1's complement of the positive number plus 1. That's why when we write complement of 12, so we get one increment of that value with a negative sign. Okay, and also if we write complement minus 13 and we get 12 again, in the same way it will acts. Okay, and another example, if we write a equal to 5, okay, and if we write complement a, so we get minus 6. Okay, if we write b equal minus 45, so what will be the output of complement B should be plus 44. Okay, I think it will clear for you. Now go for the next operator, is your bitwise AND. Suppose we are right 12 and 13, so it returned 12. Actually what happened here, 12 and 13 first break into binary and then we operate on AND operation. Okay, then we get this value. Okay, again if we write 12 and bitwise OR means the pipe sign and 13, so we get 13. The same way 12 and 13 at first break into binary, then we use the OR operation on them. Okay, means bitwise AND operation and bitwise OR operation is going on. Okay, similar way if we write 12 XOR bitwise XOR 13, so we get 1. Same way means at first 12 and 13 break into binary, then bitwise they are operate XOR operation. Okay, now we go for the shift left operator. Suppose we are write 10 and shift left 2, we get 40. Actually what happens, shift left operator will shifting from right to left. Okay, and the result will come in that way. We write 10 into 2 to the power 2, means the 2 bit will be shifted, so that's why 2 to the power 2. So 10 into 2 to the power 2 means 10 into 4 and 10 into 4 means 40. Okay, so if we write 20 shift left 3, so what will be the result, 160. Why? 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3 means 8, so 20 into 8 means 160. Okay, similar way if we do the shift right operation, so suppose we are do 10 right shift operator 2, so we get 2. Here what happened, 10 divide to the power 2 and we get only the quotient value. So 10 divide 4, the quotient value will be 2. Okay, if we do 20 right shift operator 3, so we get 2 also. Why? Because 20 divided 2 to the power 3 means 8. So 20 divided by 8, the quotient will be 2. Okay. Now the seventh operator is special operator. Okay. Python language offers some special types of operators like identity operator or the membership operator. Okay. So at first I'm discussing on identity operator, then I will discuss the membership operator. So first, the identity operator. Actually is and is not are the identity operators in Python. They are used to check if two values or variables are located on the same part of the memory or not. Okay, so go for an example. Suppose we write x equal 5, okay, and again write y equal to 5. Okay, means x and y both are pointing the same integer object 5. Okay, now I am checking print. Okay, and if I am write x is not y, so what will be the result? Should be false, because x and y both are pointing the same object. And if I write print x is y, then it, sorry, this is y is capital, should be in small, x is y, then it print true, because x and y both are pointing the same object. Suppose I am write x equal and within single quote hello. Okay, again I am write y equal within single quote hello. Okay, now if I write print and write x is not y, so output will be false. Okay, and the same way if I write print x is y, so it will print true. Okay, now the another operator is membership operator. Okay, in and not in are the membership operators in Python. Okay, they are used to test whether a value or variable is found in a sequence or not. Okay, so go for an example. Suppose I'm writing x equal within single quote write technical RCON. Okay, and again I'm write y equal within single quote ARNABKUNDU. Okay, now print and write within single quote t, okay, and write in x, So it's a true because T is present within this technical argand sequence. Okay. And now if I write print and suppose we are write techno, okay, and write not in, okay, X. So it's also true because techno, this sequence is not present. So it's also true. Okay. Now if I write print and suppose I'm write hi and write in Y. So what happened? It's false. Why? Because high sequence is not present within this Arnab Kundu. Okay. And now again if I write print and write AR, okay, and if I write not in Y, so it's also provide false because AR is present within this Arnab. And if I write print and within single quote if I write KU and write in Y, so it provide true because KU is present within the sequence or no code. Okay. The following table lists all the operators from the highest precedence to the lowest precedence is given within this table. Okay. So there is a rank is given, there is a 13th rank. Okay. First rank operator is exponent operator. Rank 2 complement and unary operator. Rank 3 multiply, divide, modulo and float division operator. Number 4 rank addition and subtraction operator. Rank 5 bitwise right shift and bitwise left shift operator. Rank 6th bitwise AND operator. Rank 7 bitwise XOR and bitwise OR operator. Rank 8th relational operators. Rank 9th the rest of the relational operators like equal equal and not equal. Rank 10th assignment operators like equal, modulo equal, divide equal, etc. Rank 11th identity operators. Rank 12th membership operators and rank 13 logical operators. Okay. Here the operators with the highest precedence appear at the top of the table, those with the lowest appear at the bottom. Okay. I hope that you have understood my topic. For more videos keep watching my channel Technical Arc.